close it now. Go. Okay. You wanna hold this one for Mama? Or do you want the banana inside the car? I'm gonna hold this. Okay. Mama will peel it for you. Hang on. Like that. Okay. Si Inday ay kumakain ng banana. Sobrang iyak niyan kanina kasi gusto niya ng banana na hindi pa na-open. Ayoko namang mag-waste kaya sabi ko, open naman yan, kainin mo na lang. Ayaw niya talaga, sobrang iyak niya. But then, pagkarating namin dito ay nag-yes na lang siya. Otherwise, I'm not giving her anything. Do you want me to hold your banana? Dito pala kami sa Venus. Uy! No, don't put it on the floor, my love. I'll hold it for you, okay? And you can have a look. Put your toy here. Honey, put your toy here so no one will take it. No, put your toy here. Your sheep. So no one will take it, okay? There you go. That's safe there. Okay, you can have a look. So I'm back, guys. I've been off for a few days kasi nga si mami niyo ay nagkasakit. Actually, I still have the cold and the cough, but it's not too bad. Ngayon nakakapagsalita ako ng okay. Before, guys, napaus talaga ako kasi sa kakaubo, sakit ubo. Hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos kasi nga sa but ngayon, I'm getting better. And, you know, I'm showered already and all that, so I feel much better, guys. But being sick was not fun at all, especially kapag nanay ka, guys. You can't afford to get sick talaga. Nag-start to siya nung Friday ba yun? Dinrop namin yung tatay ni Daddy Mike sa airport. Oo, Friday nga yun. And then Saturday, nag-spend ako ng whole day sa bed, guys. Like, hindi talaga kinaya ng katawan ko. And then Sunday, sabi ni Daddy Mike, you know, take your time, stay in bed. And dapat, alam mo yung sobrang dami kong kailangan gawin. Yung sa utak ko ba, like, even if I'm laying down, yung utak ko sobrang ilang miles per hour kasi may mga gusto akong gawin. And also, kawawa yung mga bata, especially si Baby Celine, kasi gusto niya na magkasama kami sa bed and all. And hindi ko magawa-gawa, especially the first couple of nights kasi nga ayaw kong mahawa sila. And you know what? I'm very thankful kasi even though ngayon medyo okay na ako, pero I still have the cold and cough. Yung mga kids tsaka si Daddy Mike, they seem to be okay, and I'm very thankful, guys, kasi I can't forgive myself kapag nagkasakit sila and we are leaving for Melbourne next week. Hindi pwede magkasakit kasi sobrang ginaw din doon, guys, and we're traveling. Oh my God. Okay. Buti na lang. Parang okay naman sila. Hindi naman sila sick. Anak? What is that? Sobrang daming laruan. Colorful.
It's not working.
It's not working?
It's stuck.
You wanna put the guy in there? Like that? Is it working? Where is Lainey hiding?
And the dress.
Nandito kami sa loob, guys. Alam niyo ba, they're doing sale at the moment. And sobrang timing namin ni Baby Celine. So, meron kaming bit-bit dito sa aming basket. Ito ang ating pa-outfit for today. On the may sunshine daw. Tinday. Ayan, oh. Try natin yung iba.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Are you singing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Lahat, guys, naka-sale.
Present.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Mommy, don't.
Grabe, super, sunny today, guys. Which is really good. Pero napakainit sa loob ng sasakyan. Oh, anak! It's too bright, Baba. It's too bright. Thank you, though. Thank you. Come, we'll show Tita and Tito what we got from the op shop. So, napaka-perfect timing namin ni Baby Celine doon, guys.
Right.
So bright, see? Mama can see. Can you close it for me, please? Thank you. We'll turn the car on kasi napakainit, guys. Kailangan namin ng aircon sa loob. I hope it's not too noisy. Anak ko, this one. So, perfect timing kasi lahat ng mga naka-wooden hangers ay $3 for $50. Tapos yung mga black hangers naman ay $3 for $20. So, yung mga binili ko is yung mga wooden hangers. Kasi yung mga wooden hangers, guys, yun yung mga branded. Yung mga may tag pa. At magaganda talaga yung mga name and quality. So, napakasaya ko, guys. Kasi sobrang quality-wise, grabe. Grabe yung na-save natin dito. So, may nabili akong 6. So, pakita ko sa inyo, guys, kasi kung tutuusin talaga ay pakita ko sa inyo isang damit. Nakita ko na to siya, guys, kasi pabalik-balik naman ako doon sa shop na yun. But I couldn't bring myself to buy this one kasi just this one itself, yung brand nito ay Mr. Zimi. And napakagandang brand nito sa Australia, guys. And you know what? Yung presyo nila dito, $75. So, kung iisipin nyo, guys, $75 for this, binayaran ko sa 6 na to ay 100 lang. So, parang ito lang yung binayaran ko, guys.
This
And
one.
iba, hindi free na. Oh, Celine's toy. So, this is a long dress. Ayan. And then, the second one, give me another one lang, be. O siya, tita lang.
I don't want a toy.
Not this one. Give me one. O siya, tita. And this one, amazing. Brand is, oh, bless you, anak. Oh, anak, I hope you don't get the cold. Ayan, Alice McCall. Grabe. Napakamahal nito, guys.
Mama, what about the toy?
Yes, you can show your guitar. Your ukulele. Tingnan nyo.
Mama,
Tinry ko kasi ito sa
this one
akin.
first.
Okay, this one as well. $5 for Celine. What did you sing before? Did you sing?
Happy birthday.
No, you are my sunshine. This one.
Sunshine. Only sunshine.
You make me happy when skies are gray. B, give me another dress. This one. This one is also
This
brand.
This one.
Brand na brand. Common. Ganyan siya. Dress to siya. Malaki yung kanyang mga prints. Napakasaya ko, guys. Grabe. Sobrang worth it nito. And this one, oh my god. Out of everything, I don't think I'm going to wear this one, guys. This is not my style. Look at that. But, mapapabili ka talaga nito, guys. Ibenta ko to. Kasi, look. May tag pa siya. The brand is Camilla. In size extra small. Napaka, guys. Oh, ayan, may tag pa siya, guys. Grabe. And you won't believe it. Ang presyo ni... Hang on lang. Ang original price nito ay... Kita ba dyan, guys? Kita ba dyan? Kung hindi nyo kita, sabihin ko na lang. $699. My God. Nakakaloka ang presyo ng skirt na to. $700 for this skirt, guys. At binili ko lang siya ng... Magkano lang ba? Kasi 50 divided by 3. 18? 18 ba?
Bamboo.
Oh my God.
Let's go. Bamboo.
So yeah, benta natin.
Bamboo.
And then, this top from Sabah, Malaysia. Size small. This is for me. Napakaganda. See, structured na top na white. You can already see myself wearing this. And then the last one, kasi 5 rin yung nagustuhan ko. Pinili ko talaga yung isa pa, sabi ko, add one more para makuha ko yung deal. And this one, guys, sobrang gandang deal din ito. And meron pa siyang ano, ayan yung kanyang brand. From price 370 down to 250, ayan. And then they had, I think they had 40 on this one. So ito yung price ng shop talaga. Hindi yung off shop ha.
Mama, I got a witchy hat.
May-ari talaga nito.
I got a witchy hat that's out of car.
Where is it?
There.
In the boot?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get it, okay? So, brand new pa siya, guys. Ano siya? Jacket coat.
That's cute.
Size 2. Ayan, oh. Grabe, sobrang saya ko, guys. Napaka gandang timing talaga namin ni Baby Celine doon. Ayan, may belt siya. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Suot ko. Ito. Kasi parang kasya man to sa akin. Yeah, yun lang yung 6. But, seriously, guys, kung binayaran ko to lahat, it's way more than $100.
Mama,
That's
I
for
want to
sure.
put my seatbelt on.
Put seatbelt on.
Please,
Kasi
please.
kalagay ko lang to dito. Kasi kami ay bibili ng pagkain ni Celine muna. Sige. Yung batang to mag-belt. Good job. There you go. Tapos, bitbitin ko to paglabas namin kasi post office ay nandyan lang, guys. May nabenta si mami yung online, yung aking return customer. Bumili na naman siya ulit. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. So, ayan, post natin. Ready, Ling Ling?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, see you later, guys.
Later, guys.
See you.
See you.
Marami na nakain sa Inday, oh. Gutom na sa
I'm
Inday.
gonna add one. Add one. Add one.
Okay. It's very hard.
What about this one? This one open. That one not open.
Ito yung sa akin, oh. Lemongrass pork salad. Noodle salad. So, yeah. Ayun. Special fried rice sa kanya.
Open it.
Put it back. Hello, baby.
Remember you told me to tell the teacher
Oh, is that yours?
that I'm gonna be absent for 10 days?
Oh, did you tell your teacher?
Yeah, she said you have to email the office.
Oh, you have to email?
Yeah,
To who?
the office.
Office? Okay.
And then my mama.
It's not for 10 days lang. 5 days only. Taka raka.
Then why did you say?
Oh, was it? 7 days. Come on, keep going. Because there's Saturday and Sunday. So you don't need to go to school for that. Come on, go in. Lini is having a nap, so don't make a lot of noise. Okay. Well done, Baba. Congratulations. Put it in your bag before you lose them.
Up there.
Who?
The naughty boy's going up there.
The naughty boy.
Up there. Up there.
Where? I couldn't see any naughty boy. Dito kami sa playground, guys. Wala ko tong dalawa. And then, si Ate Paris. Baby Celine ay kakagising lang from her nap. Balas pa more.
There's more in here. There's more here. And more here. And more here.
Oh, okay.
There's more in here, Auntie. There's more.
Itong dalawa, sarap talaga nilang tingnan kapag naglalaro. Kapag nag-aaway, ay, naku, sarap din. Anak, kala na unsa naman yung puno na kay balas. Kay bataan. Kawawa naman ang shape. After park, snacks time. Put this on, ate ah.
I'm a karate guy.
Huh?
Do you bet I can crack this?
Hmm?
What? On the way.
Bravo, ate. Yeah. Put this on. What are you getting, Lini?
Yeah.
Huh?
want
No, what are you getting?
I don't want it.
Now.
I don't want it.
Where are we going?
The ice cream.
Ice cream.
Shoot.
Nak, baliw.
What?
Parisya, seriously, anak ha? Kantay ka lang dyan, nak. It's the other way around. Naunsa man ka, naunsa man ka.
Mama, that's not chocolate egg.
No, it's not chocolate egg. Dirty egg. Come on. Ah, Baba. It will be, we'll be walking. Especially we're gonna have ice cream. Come on. Oh, ang sarap niyan. Milo range. Although, alam niyo ba yung Milo nila dito? Iba yung lasa sa atin. Oh, wow. This is yummy.
I want the chocolate one.
Okay, which one? The sprinkle one? Hi, how are you? That's good. No,
When Celine's gets it.
the same, I think. So, thank you.
Yeah, but no,
I
but
also
no.
grabbed one, the one with the sprinkled curd. And this chalk hazelnut. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. This one, Lily? This one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, please.
That's for mommy.
No, it's for you. That's the same thing.
I want the white one.
No, that's the same, honey.
No, I want
No, that's the same. Look. It's the same. They're the same.
The powder is actually the real powder.
It's nice.
I know. That's why I tried it because I like Milo and I haven't had Milo since last year probably.
Yummy?
After last year's the last time I had it.
Come on. We'll go get Mama's. Nag-order ako sa Filipino restaurant. There's from Pia. Ng mozzarella hotdog. Tsaka coconut milkshake.
I taste hers, but she didn't cry. And I let her taste mine. That's first, so she'll let me.
Okay.
give her a little
Come on. Ayan guys. Nag-order tayo ng long silog. Kumakain si Lini ng corn dog. Ah, yum. Parang agahan lang ah. Hungry. It's now late guys. Ginagawan ko lang ng snacks yung mga kiddos. Making them strawberries. Hindi na pala kami nagpag-vlog kanina. Uwi kami. So, may nag-pick up ng 2 bags when we got home. Hindi na ako nagpag-vlog. Kasi mami nyo, alam niyo ba hanggang ngayon, ay suot-suot ko pa rin ang aking sandals. Hindi pa relax si mami nyo. Hindi pa ako nakaupo since pagka-uwi namin, guys. I was doing some folding of clothes. Si Daddy Mike naglilinis dito sa kusina, guys. Siya yung naghugas ng pinggan and everything. And nililinisan niya yung balcony ngayon. Kasi kailangan malinis bago kami umalis puntang Melbourne. Kasi alam niyo naman, guys, yung feeling pagka-uwi tapos yung bahay mo parang binagyuhan. Hindi nakaka-relax. Aking sipon and ubo update andyan pa rin, guys, but as what I mentioned before, I'm very thankful na yung mga anak ko tsaka si Daddy Mike, they seem to be okay. Fingers crossed, sana hindi ma-jinx, ano, kasi okay sila. Actually, last night kami ni Baby Celine tsaka ni Daddy Mike natulog kami in the same room. Na I just changed all the shades and everything. Tapos spray kami ng Glen 20, ganyan. The whole house. Yan, dinahan ako ni Sheena. Pinakita ko na ba to? The other day, ng chicharon. Parang chicken skin. Ito yung kinakain ko, guys. Sobrang sarap. Kinakain ko with kanin. But naubos niya. Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari sa kanin? Louie, you already had your dinner, mate? Huh? May shower sa ati para siya kasi Baby Celine. Ito rin siya sumunod. Basang-basa. So, I'll just give this to them. Hi, madam. Tingnan niyo. Hi.
Hello. Yum. I want to eat strawberries.
There you go. This is your strawberry, Lini. What do you say to Mama? What do you say to Mama?
Thank you.
A little bit of screen time for them, guys, and then we'll start getting to bed. Come.